I am here vibing with one of the most naturally talented singers in the entertainment industry. His parents named him Sheldon Campbell, but we know him as
Never Saul, Turbulence the Future.
Father Turbulence.
Give thanks and praise.
Everything, sir.
Yes, I give thanks.
First and foremost, happy earth strong.
My Lord, give thanks.
We hope the man live to see many more.
Yeah,
and
man.
job blessings continue to be showered upon
Life
him.
is the ultimate, you know what I mean?
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Father Turbulence, early life, place of birth.
Right where we are right now, give thanks and praise. First of all, let me say greetings in the mighty and powerful name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie Jah Rastafari. Right where we are right now, this is the root, this is the groundation, this is the foundation, this is where it all began. Right under this mango tree turpentine. It's called 6 Mile Crane, but you know, otherwise known as Hungry Town. Right here, you know, Miss Green, life giver, that's my mom, you know, right here.
How many siblings?
You have Tammy, you have Ray, you have Jay, so we say 4 away. Yeah.
Tammy, Ray and Jay, everybody alright?
Yeah, but everybody there, but everybody alright.
Mommy alright?
Well, unfortunately, you know, she lost her life a couple months ago, so.
My condolences, sir.
Yeah, man,
Oh, the old man?
Yeah, we don't know the old man.
You don't know the old man?
We don't know the old man there, but you know,
yeah.
we still give thanks, you know, no hatred towards him.
Schooling, where you attended school?
You know, say, first of all, it was Miss Watson Basic School up in a Glen Drive, Cassava Peace.
Yeah.
And then we head on to Swallowfield All-Age School, and then we head on to St. Andrew Technical High School, and then we head on to Rastafari College.
Rastafari College.
And then we there, so.
Just reflecting though, growing up, what was it like growing up? Because it sounded like a mommy alone.
Well, a lot of people would come and lie to you and say, oh, you know, because the music fit the struggle. So a lot of people would come and say, oh, yeah, we were suffering and we were... Miss Green made it all possible for us, you know. We were poor, but we weren't needy.
Yeah.
See what I say? Miss Green go out there go work and, you know, we never know hungry and we never know, you know. We know hard times and we know struggle, but we never know hungry and sufferings, because Miss Green made it all possible for us. So we grew up poor, we're not rich, but you know, the struggle was there. But
soul.
yeah, man, Miss Green are the real mama, man.
So you grew up in Hungry Town. As a boy growing up. How come that journey there lead you to the music?
Well, you know, we found out that we have a talent, you know. First of all, we was a bathroom singer.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Like everybody
singer.
else, isn't it?
Yeah, we shy and you know we never want to go out there, but
Turbulence was shy.
In my head, my music was the best. In my head, my music sounded good. And it wasn't until my grandfather lost his life.
Yeah.
They must try to find a singer. For singer in funeral. And that they link up Turbulence the Future. Then we go up there and we sing with one of my cousins them, and my uncle was a member of the audience, and he had a linkage with Mr. Philip Fatis Burrell, exterminator family. And he said, yo, are you serious in the music? I said, yeah man, I'm serious man. Really serious, I love it. And he linked me with Fatis them. The producer who brought you, Sizzla Kalanji,
the whole exterminator family.
Sanchez, everybody, you know, and from that raw talent, you know, once he captivated my presence, you know, the talent was raw, but he nurtured it, and we're here now today.
So it was out of a tragic situation that the talent
behind the dark cloud
exposed.
It's like behind the dark cloud, you know. Comes the rainbow.
But the birth name, the government name, so to speak, is Sheldon Campbell.
Yes, sir.
Turbulence. So you get the name there?
I was going by the name of Double Trouble.
Double Trouble?
Yeah. DT.
Double Trouble from Hungry Town.
So, therefore, I was going by that name, and then I went to a function.
Oh, you got that name there, though?
I don't know, man. When you see Turbulence, a trouble, man. When you see me, a trouble, basically, you know. So, we had to lean forward to a different name that can depict the character of the artist and of himself. So when we got so back and went to a function in a garrison area, mash up the place, a little elder Rastaman come to me and say, you're not create no trouble.
Yeah.
You're not cause no trouble, you create a turbulence.
Mad.
And I say, yeah.
It stick. It work, man.
And disturbing to Babylon, strong for the Gideon, righteous to all that is wrong, that is turbulence.
brother. Mad. The music though, you say you started out as a bathroom singer, right? But from early out, you believe in your own music. You believe you have all of the talent and all of the quality in the world.
Yeah, man.
But when was the first time you really realized that something in it and we can progress and move forward with it?
You know what, let me be honest with you. The first time I realized that I want to start make the first $1,000. Without lie, because I was, we were loving it and we was doing it because of love, and it's like a hobby and we're just doing it. And then sing a dub plate and a man say, it's $10,000. I say, wait, but it's a money making thing. First of all, because we never know, say it was so powerful that it can transcend and make messages all across the world. We never know that thing there. Because we think what's cornered and in our little hole. So it's but until we realize, and then, boy, I know it take us to a higher level, so we just give thanks.
Who was the first person to bring you to a studio?
Say the first person.
We can say, when was you remember the first time you went to a studio?
Yeah, Reggae Artiste Studio on Reddies Road. We just, as youths in the area, Reggae Artiste Studio was down in Reddies Road, so we just say, and beg the king a chance, and him say, go voice, man, young youth. And we just sing, we don't know nothing about the industry, the royalties, the business, nothing. We just sing because Gregory Isaac say what? Sing, so we just sing.
The first time you ventured into a studio was Gregory Isaac Studio.
Yes,
and
sir.
he was welcoming and he gave you an opportunity to express yourself.
Yes.
You remember the first song you ever voiced in our studio?
Come out of the ghetto if you tread. That was for Mr. Gregory Isaac, as I said earlier. Second song that he aired on the air for Mr. Philip Pattis Burrell was Close Your Eyes, Think of Peace. Actually here, when I heard it the first time.
Yeah.
You know the yard are big, right?
Yeah, man.
So we run around the yard about 10 times. We think we're boss.
Yeah.
Not knowing that.
Where's you think you're boss?
Think you're boss, yeah. Radio? Yeah, the man.
Yeah. Remember which DJ heard it for the first time?
GT
Our radio
Taylor.
station, GT, Ari.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So how well did that song do?
That song, it was a starting of it's a stepping stone, you know what I mean? So, it propelled it so much that we got to sign with ASCAP, JCAP, paperwork was put together, we get passport, we get visa, put that together and we went on tour. It earned me the respect of Sizzla Kalonji.
Important step that.
Yeah, so when that came about now, we went on tour to open for Sizzla.
Yeah.
So I've been opening for Sizzla for 5 years without even nobody knowing who's Turbulence. So I've been just doing 3 songs. But we are the on-demand pan tour too, so we go shop, we cook, we do, so
still put in the work
and we still
and
do
wait
it
your
because,
time.
It's a privilege because them time the Kalonji have about 20 man round him with artists.
Yeah.
And if your man choose me from Town, it's a privilege.
So that song started opening doors.
Opening doors.
Yeah. So after that then, what was the next recording?
Next recording, we had a lot.
Yeah.
After that, we had a lot established songs, but not very popular.
Yes.
And then we keep working, we keep working.
Important.
Sweat up your brow, you shall eat bread. So we just keep working, we keep doing it, we keep mastering the craft because at that time we sounded like Sizzla, because Sizzla was Sizzla was my idol. Prolific artist, great artist, so we try to sound like him and then we try to find our sound after that.
So the long and short of that is Sizzla was an early influence on the sound of Turbulence.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's not a bad person to emulate though.
Thank you. So and within that now aspect we start to find our own sound. Start to find our own sound, own melody, we try to come different. And then we find the Turbulence sound. Yes.
So what was that song that introduced Turbulence to the world?
That song was called Notorious.
What was the story behind that song
Notorious, because it's a true story for people who are surrounding, within and about the surrounding areas. It's what could have been. Some people in a foreign, everywhere them see me, them call me notorious. No, me and a B.I.G. I said I could have been one of the most notorious. Therefore, me I depict what could have happened, what could have gone if me never really choose this route we're on right now. Because we sit amongst killers and people who have that in a genre, and then them show the vibe and them say, yo, left them to time, and just come up with the idea, say, yo. It's merely indicating what could have been.
Yeah.
I could have been bad, but I chose the good way. Yo, and me go tell them, say, I could have been one of the most notorious. I got saved by the King, and His grace is so glorious.
Smart thing. That song has transcended time.
Boundaries.
And the message and the lesson in that song continues to be relevant even
Live
now,
on.
especially the fact where we know what the crime situation of the country is, right? So I don't know if when you did a pen that song, you did realize how the impact that that song would have not only for your career, but also for youth who then grew up in a certain environments and surroundings like you, because that song will continue to live on even after turbulence has passed on.
And that's true, I mean, I want to tell the musicians, them, and the singers and players of instrument that good music is always the music that's gonna live.
Yeah.
Because everybody in the world have a heart.
Mm-hmm.
And you know me I say, and them know that goodness and righteousness exalt the nation and sin is a reproach.
Yeah.
So we always have to sing good music. Even if you're gonna sing the book yaga blah 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 blah. If you're there,
You still have to count it.
still have to, you know me I say, so Notorious, you know, it's surprising to me because when I recorded it, you know, we recorded thousands of songs before Notorious.
Thousands of songs.
Thousands of songs because I have 58 albums and 5,000 singles.
58 albums and 5,000 singles.
You know,
I have a business turbulence.
All recorded by ASCAP and know,
Yeah.
so them tell me the thing. So me,
Yeah,
I say,
yeah.
all me I say is, you don't know what gonna hit. Keep working.
True, true. So that was a song now that create a little bit of independence for Turbulence.
I wouldn't say little bit still.
A lot.
A whole lot, you know me I say, because you know it opened many doors. You know,
Yes.
you have big companies calling me to license, to distribute. Everybody loved it. Even until this day, to date now, I'm touring on it. You know, every year we're going out there. Every year we're doing it. We're being an ambassador for the music.
So that song now, Turbulence start tour, Turbulence start fly.
By himself.
By himself. Yes.
With his team.
With his team.
Yeah, man.
Growth. Progress.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Well done.
Yes,
So
sir.
now you started touring. Can you remember the biggest stage you have walked on as an entertainer?
The biggest stages, please.
Stages.
I could eat that way.
boss, I stand corrected.
Yeah, well, give thanks, man. You're wrong, man. But even I say, I would say the first biggest stage is Kenya.
Kenya.
When we have 22,000 people in a stadium for Turbulence alone, and I performed for 5 hours.
5 hours.
5 hours. You know, a lot of people get paid for 35 minutes and 40 minutes. I performed for 5 hours because, you know, for the artists, they know, say, you can't go to Africa and go sing, you know, 20 minutes. People them will take you away and kidnap you. So you have to know where you are. You know, we perform, we come off, we perform, we come off, we perform, we come off. And you know what I say? And then Paris was the second biggest, the largest stage. You know, and then after that, every, you know, platform, the Summer Jam, the Garance Festival, all of the things them was for Turbulence, and we just give thanks.
Yeah, been there.
Been there.
You have done that. Notorious came, the opportunities came. You started seeing the world, you started working with your own team, your own people around you. You moved away from working with Kalanji as such. Yeah, and Sizzla still good?
Yes, I.
That's
man, I'm
important.
Godfather in music.
Yeah. So after that now, other songs started because you would have been voicing long before that, you know. But after Notorious, persons now started taking Turbulence a little bit more serious because you would have made your mark. So probably in the past you then voice a song and you don't reach nowhere because you never have no name yet. But after Notorious came, people start take on to the thing.
You know what you're saying, man, because after all, when Notorious became Notorious,
Yeah.
you know what I say, after that, you know what I say, all the 1,000 songs that we voiced before that became relevant.
Yes.
You know,
Yes, because he had a
all of-
name.
all of a
There
sudden.
was a name to go with the voice.
Thank you, because we've got the love and all them songs there.
Yeah.
We voiced before Notorious, a lot of people don't know.
Seriously.
We've got the love and name and number. Them sang the voice before Notorious, but because, you know, the producer was so egotistic, him just say, oh,
You
this
know,
is
ready?
the number one right now.
Yeah.
This is the number one right now. I'm going to tell you, let's release it now. So no waiting, never go on. And he was right. So
Yeah.
big up to Amlak, you know. That's it.
All right, generally speaking, an artist who over the duration of their career will amass a number of hits. But generally speaking, sometimes the song that is the best song commercially is not always the artist's most favorite song.
True.
Right?
That's true.
Of all the songs that you would have done, whether hit or no hit, which song is the song where you sing the most to yourself? And my favorite song this.
Hero. I have a song when I write for my mother.
Mm.
You know.
Like we hear it, man. Then you tell me about it.
Yo, we have so many songs that we write for Miss Green. Because Miss Green was the backbone of everything.
Yeah.
And I say, and I like one woman where I said, no. You know, when we turn Rastafari, and we have praise Rastafari, Miss Green used to have like a problem with that. But she learned to respect and love it.
Yeah.
And then, you know, we just have to sing some song with her, you know.
Mm-hmm. So the song was Hero.
Hero, man. Just look it up, man. It's
Just
sick,
look
man.
it up.
Sick.
You don't want to give up his side?
No, not yet. And then, for the sake of opening doors, I would say, close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Notorious was one of them, but you know, everybody know Notorious, so we're not going to just get up and say Notorious.
Yes, naturally.
Close your eyes.
Naturally.
People, songs that people don't know really, those are the songs that really build Turbulence to where he is today.
I remember you told me that the biggest stages that you would have performed on would have been in places like Kenya and Paris and such.
Yes.
Where's your favorite place to perform?
Oh, wow. You know, say, there are many places, you know, because the love and the reception was warm. So, we have to say Gambia, Zambia,
Africa again.
Kenya, Ghana, Ethiopia, Paris, France, Belgium, Switzerland, Holland, Trinidad, most of the Caribbean. You know what I say? So, you know, you have to just ask me where places I've never been.
Okay.
I never go to Japan yet. A lot of artists go to Japan.
Yeah.
I never go to Japan yet, but I go Israel, Bethlehem, Jerusalem. You know, almost.
Most of the artists would have interviewed, Kenya keeps on coming up and Japan keeps on coming up. So
why Kenya is a reggae city.
Yeah. Me not hear you call Jamaica and all of this. So I go on a yard, sir.
A yard do the thing, man. They say once you become a brand manager of Jamaica of reggae music, you have to just touch out. Some people say, what Turbulence? You want to see Turbulence?
Some people afraid I crowd a yard still.
But them don't know. You know, we're not afraid of nothing because it's not Notorious really about Turbulence.
Yeah.
If you check it out, if you check the whole history of Turbulence, it's the stage shows them. The ghetto them where we go through and the name start call and the shows them where we go up on in a Jamaica, within Jamaica, and the name start call. And that gives you the momentum for people to say, all right, remember, we could listen to him now on the recording side and see if he have the talent there. And then Notorious Boss because of the video and the stage show. Not because the song was the baddest song in the world, but because the energy we may drive with it, going to stage shows in Jamaica. Jamaica is always the place where you have to, because if you don't come trample Jamaica, where you going to trample?
True.
Where you going to trample?
True.
After me, Sean Paul and Shaggy. You have to have that thick foundation there.
Yeah.
And then I say,
Understand.
even Sean Paul had his foundation in Jamaica and go make it good. So we give thanks for him and we give thanks for Shaggy too.
Yeah.
But I am showing you that if you don't have that strong strength there in Jamaica, you can't really, you know, because Jamaica is on people, it's some people where they don't have no patience. You know what I say? A lot of people, you go there, DJ, try to sing. Because me now, check it, the truth me talk.
Yeah.
You're there in Jamaica, you sing. You sing for over 40 minutes.
Yeah.
And the people them still say, all right, sound good, sweet, nice. Next artist. in a Europe, when you're there in Europe, you can sing for 4 hours, 3 hours.
Yeah.
And when you say, me I go home.
Then still want more.
In Africa, the same thing. So you have to have the training ground covered, which is Jamaica, is the training ground. You can't go. So me is a man, me is a prolific artist. Me now always sing Rastafari and Ray. Me
sing some girl song, you
girl
sing some
sing
song.
all kind of song because I'm a musician.
Yeah.
When I come to Jamaica, I know the settings. If I go on a wedding, I can sing wedding song.
Yeah.
If I go to a church, I can sing a church song.
Adaptation.
Yeah,
important.
Thank you. So we just, if you go to dance hall, I know say dance hall and rough people, and then you know, rock my baby. So you have to go there, go burn the fire.
Yeah. One thing though, Turbulence, for an artist that would have toured extensively, right? One of the things that I get from the artists when I speak to them is that some of them are of the opinion that there's a greater appreciation for the craft and the art of reggae overseas than in Jamaica. What is your take on that?
And they're right. You know, they're right on that because the reception abroad is overwhelming
Yeah.
than the reception in Jamaica. You know what I say? And that is wrong.
Yeah.
You know, when we love Jamaican people, then, but sometimes the love what we get.
I guess
out there in the
because
world,
of
you know
our
what I
thing
say?
and we're so used to it, you understand, you know, we take it for
we start to
granted.
lose it.
Yes,
We start
man,
to lose
true,
it
true,
because
that is true.
I was on a festival in Germany, and I was the only black reggae band
Yeah.
on the thing. So, therefore, the white man them, now this now put in a race thing,
Yes.
but the white man them treasurize the music and take it from me, and just know say this is a force to be reckoned with.
Yeah.
Let us. This is precious.
Yeah.
So them a play it. We have some Jamaican band. Them a race with you and them stay so. You know them not get the right energy.
Nah,
and-
get a vibe there.
Yeah, so wait,
Yeah.
what go on? What really go on? When you reach a Germany and them place there, the man them so into the music that when them race with you, it sound like the record.
Yes, yes.
And them love it and them on time. So if you say,
Professionalism.
yo, at 9 o'clock the show start, them there from 8:45. While sometimes you see Jamaican band them and the man them we mash up the music. If it's 9 o'clock, them a come, them just a set up. So it's like, you know what I say, you have to just love the music, and the music is so vast
Yeah.
all across the world that people tend to not see it. Jamaicans especially.
Yeah.
Reggae music is one of the top music in the world.
Yeah.
So why not treasurize it? Our music.
Complacency, man, and hours, so we just get used to it.
We just get
Looking
used,
back
yeah.
though at the journey, Turbulence, how challenging was it though? Forget that break there. You understand? Because enough artists come on for years, them did it. As I said, you would have
Yeah,
been
in-
opening for Sizzler for years, you'd have voiced hundreds of songs
In my
before
time,
people start recognizing.
I would
How
say-
challenging was it
I would say
for
in
you
my
to
time.
break into the music?
In my time, it was very, very, very challenging. In my time, because now you can itch up one student and one bathroom.
Yes, true,
You
true.
can itch up one student and bathroom. Internet becomes so prevalent
YouTube.
right now.
Facebook.
Yes, so you know what I say, the little artist where they in one little bush with a little bull cow can say blah 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 and in boss. Next, we now didn't have to sleep out of the studio, Anchor Studio, for days to find one producer who's passing. We now have to go on the 24 track and the dot tapes, and we now have to go in the dub plate studios not to pick up, but if you go up on a record, the record has been same way so. So if you stop when you're a DJ, if you're a dub plate, you mash up the man record.
Yeah.
You have to pay the man back your money. Right now a man can come in and say, boom,
A
boom,
million take.
and him do a dub plate, not
Yeah.
even a 45.
Yeah.
So it was very hard then, and you know we give thanks to the persistence and the glory of God while we're here.
Would you say that the artists would have been from the old school, the 90s, the 80s, would have been trained and groomed a little bit more for the industry in terms of their preparation
That is
than
the
the
best school.
artists these days?
The best school. The best school is the best in everything is to be trained
Yeah.
at anything and any job that you do. You know, the best thing is to be trained, is to be prepared for it. While enough of them artists, you know, right now they're being created by publicists and PRs and everybody. Them create them and push them out because they have an image. Some of them not even sound good, but because of attitude and everything, they put them together and put them out. So therefore, when them go up on the stage, them can't give a man them $1,000 performance. Them just go up there, blah blah blah, be nice. While we been trained, because you couldn't go in our studio back then if you don't have a melody, if you don't have on key or beat or rhythm, you can't go in the man studio. The man must say, no, that not work.
That not ready.
And it's real. It's real out there. The people them need to train. No care where if your boss have a #1 song, keep working, keep trying to come out different and keep trying to
Evolve,
go
evolution.
beyond. You know what I say? So I don't know. That's my take on that still.
When people speak about Turbulence or the name come up, generally people then say, Sasha.
I wonder when you're going to reach a part there. I wonder when you're going to reach a part there.
Yeah, so Turbulence and Sasha.
That you know, people
That's
like
up
them
there.
thing there. People
Yeah.
like them thing there. So we just come together and do that little thing there, and it explode.
So there was nothing else outside of the music involved there?
I don't know.
How are things between
God
you and Sasha now,
almighty.
though?
Yeah, man, I'm a friend, man.
Are you
Yes,
friend?
man, I'm a friend,
She
man.
good?
Sister Sasha. one
Sister
love.
Sasha?
Yeah, man, she become a Christian now,
Oh.
a pastor, so more life and more blessing. But,
Yeah,
you
man.
know,
But I still respect.
yeah, man, I respect, man, not go around it, you know what I say.
Yeah, man.
That's how you go on, man.
But the way they react to that particular way, they still.
Yeah, man, I'm a friend
But,
that.
as I said, the songs are there. You would have created a catalog. Even without the million songs you have voiced before, in terms of songs that are recognizable, if you hear them on
Thank
the
you.
radio or
Yes.
you see them on YouTube,
Yes, sir.
people know the name, them know the voice,
Yes,
them know the artist.
yes.
During the career, because when I think was looking back at the career, because Turbulence is still fairly a young man,
Yes,
you
sir.
understand?
Yeah, man.
Still putting in the work. Do
Man,
you have
truly, man.
do you have any regrets? Looking back, is there something that you would do differently if you get the chance to do it over? No?
No, man, you know.
Nothing at all?
Not at all, man. Because, you see, every obstacle teaches you jump. You know, every hurdle teaches you jump. So
Mad.
we just feel good
Yeah.
about it, and we just learn from any mistakes that's been made. You know, you drop in a hole, everybody say, nah, go back there.
True.
Unless
True.
I say a dummy, you know.
Yeah, so you take the lessons.
I have no regrets, you know, me I say, we just push on through.
Mm.
We are alive, you know, the only regret, you know, unless you step out and dead, you know.
Yeah.
We are alive, you know, so all the money now I make right now, and the money now I make then, and the money now I make back then, we're still alive.
Yeah.
And once there's life, there's hope.
Yeah. You would have spoken about taking on the Rastafarian lifestyle and levity. Right, but we know the entertainment industry, generally an artist who is Rastafarian is seen automatically as a conscious individual. Have there been any time in your career that you and anybody in the music has been involved in any form of field? Lyrical, physical?
Not for me,
Not for you.
for them.
For them.
You know, for them, people I go and get.
Yeah.
You know what I say? But when the lion roar, the jungle tremble, you know. So you don't know. We have to just do it.
Yeah. So yeah, no man, you know,
No,
nothing.
man, I'm not.
Levity,
Everyone
love.
good. In my heart, everyone good, you know. I don't know, I can't think about another man. A man and say, ah, boy, yeah. Because man will just see and I like you, you know. Ah, boy, yeah, what you walk past? I like him, you know.
Yeah.
For what? I don't even know you. But more strength to everybody who do music. You don't take boy if you do music. You don't take boy if you stand up on stage and stand up on some people where criticism are them only job. Watch a boy in face biggie. You know, you know what I say?
Yeah.
You have to bowl and do your thing and be confident. All the people them, you know, some are gonna say Ray and some are gonna say Boo and some
Yeah,
are gonna
true,
say. So you have to just do
true,
your
true.
thing.
Again, as it really, you see, there are some stereotypes that people normally assign to entertainers. Generally, when a man get a hit and him start make some money, they move out of them boyhood community. We are standing here and we're standing in Hungry Town, the place where you're born and grow. Why has Turbulence not moved away from his roots?
I move away from the the house.
Yes.
When I move away from the road.
Okay.
You know, I mean, it's good when you make a little money. You have to make a change every day. You have to advance, and you know but the root of everything is what started it.
Yeah.
You know, a man without his history is like a tree without a root. My mother, my family is the foundation of this community.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, so we have to stay here. We have to keep it alive because without that kind of feeling and that kind of trend, we lose our way. You know, you have to remember your past to move on to your future. You have to strong up yourself from there to then. So I say, I'm always gonna be here. All my mother passed and gone, me always gonna be here. You know, we're always gonna keep our memory and our whole thing alive.
That's important. It's important. And based on observation, since I arrived, can see that the respect is very high and the influence upon the youths is there as well.
Because we don't teach them nothing wrong. We're not involved in nothing where it's not progressive. And I say, and now bring the people together.
Yeah.
You know, we started producing. We started.
Oh, you're producing?
Yeah, we started producing. We started writing songs for people. We do harmonies for people. We started to even give another brother a strength. You have an artist we're growing at the place. Your name, we call him Crimis, but his name now is Real Boss, and he's taking over the whole thing. He's taking over the whole thing, and we have Nishan, we have Sonny Terrible, we have all of the artists them coming together and we're giving the strength. And Just look out for them. I tell you, you're
Yeah.
going to be interviewing them soon.
All right, boss. So Turbulence has evolved from just a performer on stage to doing some of the music side of the music, so to speak. So
Yeah,
you're
man.
working with young artists.
Manager, producer, songwriter, me harmonize with people too. And we, you know, we're trying to go to school to learn about the business aspect of it, because when we were in the music, our producers used to take somewhat of an advantage of us because we didn't know what we assigned.
Yeah.
Even when we read it, some whole heap of words combined and you say, yo, and we just, but because we want to
Kill you with
break,
the fine print.
yeah, because we want to break, we say, and
You
then
just assign that quick
later
and
on
fast.
in the news, you hear say, that man you get 80% of your royalty and you get 20.
20%.
So we now start to break away from that, and any little musical bondage that we were under, we start to break away and start to construct our thing the right way and jump over to a different kind of level. And you know, we start to learn that from even the entertainment lawyers and all the people, and we start to learn. And what we learn, we teach to the younger generation too.
But in that, just knowing a Turbulence, there's a message in it, you know. So I suppose the message is to the artists out there, pay attention to the business side of the business, not just the music side of it.
Yeah, you see, of course you can love it, but Emmanuel said through righteousness comes royalty. That means if you do the right thing, you have to get paid.
Real.
Yeah, if you get paid, brother, so me can't go sing and not get no pay, man.
Yeah.
And I say me love money, but money is a necessity, brother.
We have to survive, you know.
So when
Food
we
have to
do,
go
get
on
up
the
and
table,
say,
you know.
I'm still loving you, even though you're gone. And then what?
Hungry.
Me pick them suffer. If a boy ever do that.
Right, so generally, you know, Turbulence, when we do the art, we realize that yes, that a man where, you know, in the interview, you're willing to sing. And me tell you to sing piece of hero, give the people, and you tell them to go look for you.
Me willing to sing,
Yeah,
man.
You're willing to sing. Yeah, that's sad.
She's my hero. She never lets me down. She's always around. Hero. Her beautiful smiles put away my frown. She's my hero. Ba-da-da-do. Pull up.
That's big, brother. Bad thing.
Take time,
So-
talk loud.
Yes, I take time to talk loud. One of the things about the industry, Turbulence, is when you're boss, you're visible. You're there on ER, you're there on stage, you're there everywhere, every radio station, everybody wants to talk to you. But after a while, sometimes, whether it is the business, whether it is people touring, you're not as visible as you once. So, you know, in Jamaica, quote unquote, people are going to say, Turbulence
Not
fall
going
off,
to be,
you
man.
pop down.
It's
You
a
understand?
classroom though. People, let me tell you, it's a classroom. And every year you come first. You know, I come first every year.
Yeah, yeah.
The cake is so big and vast. So you know you have to share. And me I tell the people them once you become a brand manager of reggae music like Turbulence is, you have to start touring.
Yeah.
You have to start going out there and keeping the music alive. You can't fight for the little blood, the little small thing them in a, in a Jamaica when there are others to gain from it.
Yeah.
You know what I say? You can't do that, brother. So we keep touring, we keep moving, we keep making it happen, you know, and Turbulence never drop off.
Never drop off.
Because that the man knows that music is a thing where in us and we pick up music. So therefore, even if my branch off and say I go put 2 buses on the road and I go pick up a restaurant or I go run an Airbnb or I go do that, me still know that music lives inside of me.
Yeah.
So me can't run away from it. A lot of people say, all right, me not make no money, so I go left music. No, me can't. I never choose music. Music chose me. Yeah, man.
So even though we're not seeing Turbulence as much as we used to see Turbulence back in
People
the days.
have them favorite artists because you know we have people right now. We have some little idle ears. And who big, them are run
listen.
after.
True.
So if the artist big and I say, look for my shoes, look for my shoes, look for my shoes. You have authentic Turbulence fans.
Yeah. Always there.
Who are wait for me to say one more word. Everybody have them fan base. My fan base might not be as big as another man's fan base.
Yeah.
But me have my little fan base and we grow from that. And one day again, we're going to hit again and we're going to hit again and we're going to keep working, because if I'm not hitting in Jamaica, I'm hitting all over the place. Number one in a Kenya, number one in a Paris. Ray. So just keep working, man. Nobody watch that, man. Just keep working. You know me not gonna be modest. Me one of the baddest singer ever. Not in Jamaica, ever. Cause Jah RD in it.
Yeah.
So you are. I don't watch no face, man. I just go on the music, you know, brother.
So Turbulence still a food on the table.
We are the man. Just still a provide, man.
A family life.
Just still a,
How many kids?
Yeah, man, you know what I mean? Just still a provide, you know? Jah is providing, you know what I mean? Jah is providing.
Yeah. Married?
Jah is providing. I give thanks for Jah, you know? He's providing, man. Making a way for us
Yeah.
and for all our family.
Jah provide.
Jah provide.
Every artist, even before them bust Turbulence, have a particular goal in mind. Some of them want a big house up on the hill. Some of them want a range. Everybody wants something. Is there anything in the business where you not achieve yet, where you want to achieve?
Oh, as me say, I'm not satisfied, but I accept it. So we keep moving. You know what I mean? I say we keep moving. You know, I just want the people them lend me them ear more.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Because material will come, right, once there's righteousness, exalt the nation. So I just do the right thing, and money will come and material will come. You know.
You just want.
We just want to keep the people them ear attracting to our music.
Yeah. Is there any recent work released from Turbulence?
We presently have a song called Ride or Die, me and the same youth named Real Boss. Coming to you soon. We have a new album, February 19, you know, coming to the forefront. It's called The Remedy, produced all courtesy for Never Stop Events, Never Stop Bookings. That's my booking agent in Europe, and it's going to be wonderful. We're touring in April to June for that, a promotional tour for that in Europe. Coming back to do a East Coast thing, and then we're going to do an Africa thing in September. And then we'll take the whole September thing for Jamaica again and, you know, rebirthing the thing.
Yeah.
So we have singles out there. We have a thing named So Long, produced by Ghetto Links. And we're just doing the work. And we have artists coming up too. We have Nish and them where we're producing, managing. We have Sonny Terrible. We're just making it happen.
Yes. Speaking about albums, right? Because you'd have done how many albums, you say?
58. 59 now.
59 albums. Commercially, which one of those albums was the most successful?
My first album was, and then you have the Ex-Girlfriend album that went well. My first album was called Join Us. My very first album that made it, you know.
Yeah.
The right way. Notorious was a very big hit too. So, and then the others was all across the world.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So for the real Turbulence fans who want to find the music though, where can they go about finding the work? Other than YouTube, because we know YouTube, but you know people do them iTunes, them Spotify and stuff.
Go all of them places, man.
Okay.
You know, iTunes, Spotify, you can link Sheldon Campbell, you can link Turbulence Big Lion, Insta, you can link Never Stop Bookings, Insta. Yeah, you know what I mean? Every major platform that brings you music. If you don't find a Turbulence right now, me name my face.
All right, DJ. So for the persons who want to find you, as you say, Instagram, but in terms of bookings and stuff.
Yeah, we have two major booking agents. We have Yard One Promote, who does the Africa and the America scene, and we have Never Stop Bookings, who does the European and the you know, Asia scene.
Okay. If you were given the opportunity to fix or change one thing about the music currently, what would that one thing be?
You know, say, a joy and judgment rule the people. So I would answer that question. The people don't enjoy themselves. And we need that enjoyment. So if a dancer and you sing about your clocks and your chain, the people are within into that, because there's no say dancer and anything there is not something that to be taken literally. So if a man say me I rise me Mach 11, don't matter go rise the Mach 11 for real, brother. But enjoy the music.
Don't take the art literal.
Don't do it. Don't do it. You know what I mean? Even though in the beginning was the word and the word take unto itself flesh.
Yeah.
You know me I say the music is like a movie. Because me sure say when you done watch Van Damme kick off a boy face, you're not going to jump and kick off a man face. You're not take the movie literal, so why take the music literal? Take the messages, the positive messages that can better your life. Take that literal. So, I not change nothing for the music. Man, I don't go and make no money and go and sing, yeah, my lad. Go and eat, go and, you know, every man have their own experience. So if you get up one day and say, yo, I'm going to sing something good for the people and bring them together.
Yeah.
You have to do what you have to do.
You spent a lot of time early in your career around Sizzler. Have you ever voiced with Sizzler?
Yeah, man, we have 5 combinations with Sizzler.
5 combinations. Namely?
Sizzler is a youth where we have a thing named Judgment. That was
surprising.
That Judgment, yeah.
yeah.
But that was the main hit of it all. You know, we have songs that haven't been even released yet. But Sizzler, I have to say, Sizzler, you know, as I say, I could have picked anybody around him. I wasn't even around him. Yeah. I was a part of Exterminator and he was a part of Exterminator. That time we have Judgment Yard. Yeah. So I say when this little man come in at the studio, we just stuck so. Because no voice can go on and him alone have to sing. So we learn a lot. Yeah. We learn a lot and then, you know, a man with great powers have great responsibility. True. Him never say, all right, I'm a powerful artist, so you know, I not teach Turbulence him nothing. When we come up on stage at night time, he must say, yo, you shouldn't go that way there. You shouldn't do that. You have about 6 voice, 7 voice, just use it in there. Yeah. And him teach you and then you learn after that now and then you go ahead. So me couldn't come up here and have the youth them around me and I try to learn the thing. And I'm gonna sing to me and I say, yeah man, you sound good because I'm gonna shame you. Yeah. Me I tell you say you sound good when you sound like crap. When you go up on stage, people so anybody where come around Turbulence and them a sing a song and I say, yo, King, you don't sound good. Don't vex. Yeah. Because I know what sounds is. Help. Yeah, man. You would have recorded collaborations in your career. Is there artists that you have not worked with before that you would appreciate the opportunity for going to the studio and voice with? Yes, man, there's a lot, you know, me I say, you know, we have new youths out there, you have Chronics them, you know, we like. That hit already the Turbulence. Yeah, we not, you know me I say, we not go around it, you know, we did something with Capitan already, Fantan Moja. Assassin is another artist I like. Bounty Killer is one of my artists. Godfather. You know me I say, Capitan is one of my artists, we did already for them. And, you know me I say, Luciana, we do combination with them, Cocotti already. So, there's a lot of artists, you know, once they come and you're strong and you don't have to be a major hit maker. Yes. But once you have the talent and you're delivering something that I like to hear too. Because I not only just, I not jump on, no combination with some man will sound like when you kick buckle. Because it will reflect badly on me, you know what I say? Yes, so, yes, brother. I have to listen to your thing and make sure it's all right. Yeah, so your favorite song a hero. My favorite song, a name and number. But one piece of that. It was love at first sight when I saw her that night, and I knew from that moment your thoughts and your deeds was golden. Goosebumps came all over me when I look into your eyes. You were so happy and free. I had to walk over and say, I need your name and number. We've got the love. She wanted a tip on her front line. I'm still loving you. I could have been. I'm floating on cloud 9. Bang. One will stay true that to the brother. Man. Give thanks. Big brother. Teach them. Enjoy the rest of the earth strong. Teach them. Hope the man live to see many more. Really and truly appreciate the opportunity. Even for your birthday, yes. For all the vibes with the eye. You understand what I mean? No, man, give thanks for turn out, man. It's a pleasure, it's a joy. No, we are waiting for you, man. You know? Wait for you. Yeah, wait. Appreciate it, brother. Zane? Give thanks. So just go and put in the work. Manners and respect. Blessed is the man, woman, and child that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the ways of sinners. Holy man, like King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Look out for me artists, them real boss. Nation, you don't see Turbulence in the future. Sonny Terrible, hear me man? Bang, bang, bang! Let Jah rise and us enemies be scattered, let them that hate him. Busy me up, well, when we sing just at the work. Holy man, while slice the eye, Jah. Teach them, a real boss, this I reach them. And me say, are you great smoke? Are you great smoke? Are you great smoke? And me say, are you great smoke? Teach them a smoke. Are you great smoke? And me go tell your bush weed, we no bun, we no play. Weed in a cake, king, and me birthday.
A bush weed, we no bun, we no play. I grade in a cake, I miss it in a. I watch I know them, I wonder where me
Get it from
Tell them I know it's around a
Epicon.
I grade the just of
Every man.
Me say make sure you take with the
30 grand.
Tell you this a grand for your little grand. So what is lol if you
In a bang.
OG and no for
Every man.
Make your brain just a
Fly
fly
like
like American.
Teach them smoke. Teach them smoke. Teach them
smoke.
Mission now, teach them. Me not too mind the
turn Camille.
but me want me like
Turn for real.
tired to see me
Mother cry, mother cry.
separation.
Soon over.
Oh, see big like it.
Tearing over.
Tired
Mad.
to see me
Mother cry, mother cry.
Me tell you the
First thing of all,
me can't tell about
cracks in a wall.
while me asleep.
Insect a crawl.
Many nights no food and I
Tall.
tell. Me life need improve. Me know all about the
Sleeping room.
I need to ask me about the rocky road me go. It's sunny shot. Coming at you. No,
Teach them.
Mad.
watching us, mocking us. Coming at you. Run out and say marathon.
Not talk for Rockon.
So me tell the president I not talk.
Donald Trump.
I tell Makachi I not talk.
Fantan.
My bantan big up.
Bojo Bantan.
I tell the demons I not talk.
Tammy Lee.
I tell the martial arts I not talk.
Bruce Lee.
I tell the dog and I not talk. Ninja man. It's just reality.
Not talk.
Shabarang. Teach them.
Teach them after we no start. No one it no quit at the marijuana in a me brain a roots wine and me liquor. Them sicker. Lyrics that them face words bitter. If you no things say me done, then you ain't go bitter me in a me turban and me rope no felt. Come me no skipper. Turbulence getting fat. No so me get thicker. Faster, well quicker. Well the bush well slicker. I'm not caught in a me piper strictly indica. I'm not born in a me bed. Strictly Erica. From America pick up me girl. Teach them. Yo, me artist there. Artist. Come in me artist. Come in me artist.
This man thing, I tell this man talk, I say art after art and we don't talk. I tell people rise up and people talk, and
Back up.
people talk. When man rising a life in a road,
Pop, pop, pop.
rising a life in a road, and we cool like that, and we act like that.
Pull up. Teach them. Bless them.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.